Today, I will show you how to make authentic mouth-watering thick banga soup that will have everyone asking for more. Let's get started. Get your banga fruit, wash it thoroughly, wash it with salt thoroughly, then cook it on fire. Allow it to be very soft and tender. Next, get your meat, any protein that you're using for this recipe, any protein that you want to use, get it, marinate it, put it on fire, allow it to steam. While our protein is steaming on fire, get your pepper. This is my pepper mix. I added these ingredients. As you can see on the picture, blend it very well. Then our banga fruit is ready. Get your blender, then crush it. Yes, keep crushing it harder, like very harder. Crush it until this consistency. Look at what we have here. Next, pour it inside a bowl, just like this. Continue the process. Then, inside the bowl, add some hot water. Yes. Then stir. Allow it to cool off. Don't put your hand immediately. Once you add the hot water, allow it to cool off for like 20 minutes. Then you use your hand to massage it, as you can see how I'm doing it. Now look at the shaft and the nut. Set that aside. Then pour in the banga juice inside the pot and allow it to cook. Don't cover. Watch this to the end so that you won't make this mistake. Once it has actually cooked for like 30 minutes, then go on to add your pepper mix. Allow it to cook. Next, add your stock. Now, it's time to add our dry fish. Any dry fish that you're using, this is the best time to add your dry fish. And my native Maggi, I added my native Maggi, salt, and some seasoning. Allow it to cook until it thickens. Don't cover it, allow it to breathe. Next, you add some crayfish. Cook everything together so the flavor can blend beautifully. Now is our banga spice. I'm using this banga spice. You can actually use any banga spice of your choice, those native ones or anyone. You can use it, put it, then allow it to cook, then add another protein. This is the protein I'm using. Add it. Now it is time to cover it. Allow it to boil for like 30 minutes before you go in to add your scent leaf. Give it a stir. Allow it to simmer. At this point, everywhere the aroma is top notch. Everywhere just the bomboros. Allow it to cook for like 20 minutes. Now look at what we have. Rich, mouth-watering, delicious banga soup. The best part is you can actually pair this soup with anything. They call it 4-in-1. You can pair it with swallow, eba, pounded yam, rice, beans, anything of your choice. Don't cover the pot immediately you start cooking it. Allow it to cook very well. Let the oil come out on it before you now cover it. Please do well to subscribe to my channel.